Good evening all our friends, families, hearty welcome. Special welcome to the beautiful actress Richa, Alaya, and our NATA core team who came all over from US. Our Advisory Council, Malreddy Garu, welcome, and President Sanjay Reddy Garu, and our convener Bala Indurti, Sri Vangimala coordinator, and we are from New Jersey. We have board of directors. Mohan Patola. From New York we have Pradeep Samala. We have Girish Meka from Atlanta and Anna Reddy, as well as Gautam. Sorry if we miss anybody. We'll have a formal introduction a bit later. Anyway, the special thing about Detroit, no matter what, if it's NATA, Thana, ATA, whatever, irrespective of the organization, people do come here, they do bless everybody and make sure everybody go out happily. That's the specialty about Detroit. Give a big round of applause to Detroit. Thank you all. About NATA, North American Telugu Association. Samajika Sevane NATA Mata, Sangika Vikasame NATA Mata, Minadantoni Mudalan organization 4 years back. This is the second convention we're doing in. And the specialty of this event is, this is a closing ceremony of the fundraising. The first fundraising started in Atlanta and is the last fundraising which is doing in Detroit tonight. So we want to close this on a very good note. I really appreciate you all coming here, and I hope you make us rich before you leave. So we'll start that fundraising a little bit later. I just want to give a snapshot of NATA. The main goal of NATA is to do the community service. That's what the main goal, and that's what we've been doing. We have a toll-free hotline for anybody who need help. Like if anybody needs help, students or old people, like if any community events, without the hotline, that's we've been doing for a number of years. Plus, we do NATA Seva Days every December. We go to India, and all the board and all the members do sponsor their own villages, and we've been doing that for the last 4 years, and we spend almost $1 million every December. So this is a big thing we've been doing for the last 4 years, and thank you all the NATA members for supporting that. And apart from community service, the main thing is to promote Telugu culture and celebrate Telugu culture. So this is a platform. Every 2 years when we have a convention, that's how we celebrate our Telugu culture in a grand way with a budget of $1.5 million. It's not that easy to collect that money, but with all your support, we'll be doing that. And the main thing like service and the culture. And without any delay, we have a lot of speakers we have here. And also, before I let go, there's one more thing. We behalf of NATA, request everyone here to become member of NATA, so that they can be part of this NATA to help through the services and promote the culture. So I encourage everybody to be part of this NATA. And also we have the forms on each table for the registration for the convention. So please take a look. And there are a lot of discounts we have, the package discounts for the convention. We have a very rich convention coming up. We have a lot of guests coming from India. We have a lot of talent coming from India. We have Devisi Prasad for the closing night. We have Balas Subramaniam coming from India. So we have a lot of events. Please take a look and please get registered for this event. And Bala Indurti will be talking about the convention in detail. And that being said, thank you all again for coming, and hope you enjoy tonight.